Welcome to your first tutorial on how to use the Vector platform, the best platform on the market in linking your crypto exchange accounts as well as to perform technical analysis and cryptocurrency trades. To start, we're going to go over a general overview of the software's layout, which includes a variety of different tools, resources, and icons, which we'll briefly describe in this video. We'll also discuss how to properly integrate your crypto exchange accounts step by step to the Vector platform. Without further ado, let's get started. First off, let's learn how to input a chart onto our screen. We'll go to the top menu bar, under Tools, and click on New Chart. Let's go ahead and expand our screen. Now let's bring up our chart trading feature in order for us to place trades. First thing we'll need to do is right-click anywhere on our screen, like so, and we'll select Chart Trading here. And voila. Up top here, we have a drop-down menu which allows us to select our accounts. And as you can see, I have my simulator accounts as well as my personal account. So we'll stick to our simulator account for demonstrative purposes. You may have noticed that we need to validate our password in order to start trading. So we're going to need to click this lock icon here, like so, and input our password. Make sure you tick off the check mark, and voila, we're good to go. Your original trading password, along with your first-time access, was sent to you by email, which you'll need to copy and paste in this field. However, if you lost your email or forgot your trading password, you can have it resent to you by going to the top menu bar, under Trade, and then Forgot Password. Here, you'd insert your email and click Confirm to receive your password reset instructions. For security purposes, you can also change your password by accessing the Trade menu bar once more, and then click on Change Password. Here, you'll input your current password, input your new password, and repeat it once more for confirmation, and click Send. Also, make sure to follow the password guidelines indicated here when setting up your password. Now back to the chart, we can see the symbol up top which reads BTC USDT, which is Bitcoin to Tether. This is known as a trading pair, which is basically two cryptocurrencies that can be traded for one another on an exchange. If we wanted to change the trading pair on this chart, we'd simply type in the desired trading pair directly onto our trading screen. So let's go ahead and search for Litecoin to Tether. So the symbol is represented by LTC to USDT. You'll notice a few columns that pop up here. The first column is the symbol of the trading pair that we're looking for, followed by a description of the trading pair, the exchange the trading pair is listed on, the last traded price, as well as the variance change on the day. In order for us to plot our desired trading pair, we'd simply double-click the trading pair like so. Additionally, we can change the time interval of our chart by clicking this clock icon here and then selecting our desired time interval. This can also be achieved by typing in our desired time interval directly onto our chart screen. So let's go ahead and search for our 240-minute chart. So 240 minutes. We would double-click on our selection like so, and voila. Going back to the top menu bar under View, we can change the theme of the software, change the language, change the base fiat currency displayed as well as the base cryptocurrency displayed. We can access our chat feature and create customized notifications and alerts. We can zoom in and out of our chart, and we can also add an indicator. So let's go ahead and do so. So we'll click Indicator. All right, so let's go ahead and add the high-low activator. We'll go ahead and click on that. We'll add it to our existing screen, and we'll finalize by clicking OK. And voila. This indicator is used to track trends as well as entry and exit signals. It consists of two lines which act as support and resistance levels, represented in the shape of a ladder. So in practice, when the trend signal is below the candle, it indicates a buy order because a crypto asset is following a bullish price trend. Alternatively, when the trend signal is displayed above the candle, it indicates a sell order because a crypto asset is following a bearish price trend. Under the Studies menu, at the top here, we have a variety of different tools which we can use to enhance our technical analysis. For example, we can use the freehand draw tool as well as arrows to point out important areas on our chart. We can include trend lines, different shapes like boxes and circles to hone in on specific market activity, as well as the Fibonacci studies, which we can include directly onto our existing chart. So let's go ahead and add Fibonacci retracements. So that's Fibonacci prices here on our options. So again, click that. We'll go ahead and select the bottom of a movement to the top of a market movement, like so. The Fibonacci retracement illustrates horizontal price levels that are used to predict a past market move and determine future support and resistance levels. It also helps to capture price correction movements. Now that we've traced out our study, we can now observe the points where the price has a higher probability to experience corrections on the outlined Fibonacci levels. These levels are normally 0, 38.2, 50, 61.8, and 100. It's also worth noting that the midpoint levels of the study are where the prices are more likely to fluctuate and is represented as a percentage on the vector platform. Under the Tools menu bar, we have a variety of different tools and resources in helping us make the most informed trading decisions. For example, Time and Sales breaks down each trade by date, time, price, quantity, and aggressor action. The Volume at Price analyzes the volume of orders by price. The Market Monitor gives us an up-to-date picture of the positioning of a crypto within the market by providing key information such as the market share of a crypto, as well as its daily variance as a percentage. The network data gives us good insight on the blockchain's health by providing us with key information such as the number of market participants, the number of active addresses, the computational strength of a blockchain, and so on. We can execute trades directly from the Trade menu, as well as look at the order book and place trades directly from the book using Superdome. If we want more in-depth reporting on our trades, we can click on the Performance profile, where we can see specific information about our trades, which include trade count, average win and loss ratio, return on initial capital investment, and net profits. Under Risk Management, we can create pre-programmable trading instructions to minimize our losses and lock in our profits. Here, we can also add an exchange account and have it linked to the Vector platform. So let's go ahead and do so by clicking here under Add Exchange Account. It's important to keep in mind that the stocks that you may hold on other exchanges are not transferable to the Vector platform, and they will remain with your exchange as the custodian of your equities. In other words, the API key information is only used to enable you to perform your transactions, such as moving your cryptocurrencies between wallets or to perform withdrawals within the exchange account you're using. So to get started, we're going to select Exchange Account, and then we'll click Start. In the first field, we need to select our exchange. In the second and third field, we'll need to input our API key and API secret. This information is provided directly from your exchange. If you have difficulty or you're not sure exactly how to obtain or input this information, don't hesitate and contact your exchange to get help. Also, it's important to make sure that you keep this information stored safely and securely, and that you and only you have access to it. After you've entered all this information, we can give ourselves an account nickname. Then we proceed by clicking Add Account. Now that we've properly linked our exchange account, we can now place orders with our available balance directly through the Vector platform. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and benefited from it. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family.